Hey, if your incoming call is actually not showing on the OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite 5G, let me show you a few ways how you can try to fix this. First of all, I will highly recommend you to open the settings. Now, move into the notifications and the status bar. Then go into the all apps that you can find here and tap on the recent and select all. And now you are looking for the phone dialer, which will be available just right here. So we've got the phone calls or the phone dialer. First, let's start from the phone calls and be sure that this set as a silent is not turned on, because actually all notification will be muted and displayed only in the notification drawer instead of the popping. So be sure that this actually is turned off. Also be sure that you are enabled this lock screen and the banner notifications. You've got enabled the ringtone and the vibration, and also just go back from this and move into the phone, and here also be sure that all of the settings are actually enabled. If this actually doesn't help you, check for example for the incoming calls. Be sure that the incoming calls is actually just enabled, and you can also try to simply turn off the do not disturb mode, or for example the airplane mode. Be sure that the airplane mode is actually turned off. The same for the silent mode, so be sure that you've got actually enabled the normal mode. So when you go right here, we got the vibration on ring, vibration on silent, so be sure that the silent mode is actually turned off, and the same with the do not disturb mode. Be sure that this one is actually turned off. And that's basically it. Right now, tell me if it works, and please subscribe to my channel.